Well, we've got 3 boxes of blind parts today that arrived from Melbourne, I think, from Tish Online Blinds, and we're unpacking them now. They come beautifully wrapped, beautifully packed, but you'll need the cardboard. Yep. And when you see your blinds, you're looking for numbers on them, look to the end, because the numbers are on one end. Must be the other end. That'll tell you which shutter it is. Yeah, P1, panel 1, number 1, L1, and so all the panels will come like that. And of course they're beautifully organised, so you can open them. You've got a lovely manoeuvre. And they'll be hooked up in the bathroom shortly. But you keep the cardboard, because if you look down here, so you get in a separate parcel, you get all the sides to the window frame. When you've worked out which way they go, they're also numbered. There's a little key that has to be banged down in there, and you get a bit of card, and then you can level up your window frames like that, make sure they're nice and even, and so you do that all the way around. And then you've got your basic window frame. This is an internal one, it sits inside the existing window, and so now we'll go and pop it in. It's been pre-drilled. I pre-drilled it to match. So having done that, we'll now go into the bathroom and pop it in the window. Now we're going to apply some screws. Make sure the shimmy's in the right position. There it is. Check the level, okay? Check the spirit level again. Perfect. Perfect. Lovely. All nice and level. Put one over here. We're getting new shutters, and we'll be able to see the garden. Okay, now we're moving on to the next phase, which is hanging the shutters. We're going to be putting the windows now in the hinges. But first of all, loosen the screws of the hinges, just a whisker, so you've got adjustment, not too much. Oh. It's hard to do. That's it. Just a whisker. And you get the pins supplied for the go in the hinges. Good to have a good assistant as well. Okay. Okay, now, when you're looking at your windows, on the top of the window they will have a number. And I've got 4 panels, and so they start at number 1 on the left, and then number 4, then come back and do 3 and 2. So we're going to try now to put these up into the hinges by tapping these. I need a little bit of something to soften the paint. Well, that fits all right. Didn't need banging at all. And there's one here, also goes in very smoothly.
Not number 4. You want number 4?
Yeah, number 4. How lovely are they? Beautiful. Before you tighten it, just check that they're running vertical. It's pretty good. Okay, now we're going to tighten that. So we're going to tighten it so they hold the door off the shelf. Beautiful. Okay, now we're working on number 4. Give ourselves a couple of pins. First of all, loosen the screws a bit. So you can adjust them up. Yep. Here we go. The next window going into position with the shimmies. Tighten those screws. Is good. Check the level. Beautiful. Perfectus. Yes, looking good. Looking good. Now we're coming up to number 2. It goes on this one. Okay. Alright, we're rolling here, but we're not quite sure how to get this in. Let me get one in first. Yeah. This one down the bottom. Where did get in? Right, hold. Little balancing trick here for you. Next pin. The balancing trick is over. Now we'll get the bottom one in there. Alright, now we're up to the last one, number 4. Hold the bottom together. Yeah, there, hold it steady. Push it the top in, top in, top in, top in. No. That's in. That won't fall off. And that's in. Now we didn't allow for adjustments here, so we'll see what happens. Looks good to me. I think that's a wearing in situation. So now we have the shutters.
The other one goes last.
This one goes first. That one goes last, like that. And if you want to have subdued light or privacy, you can do it with these. How about that? Well, we got them there. Let's see how they open. To open them, you can leave them like that. Or to open them more, you've got to shut them up. Tell them to shut up. Get back like that. So, my preferred option is to have them back like that, so we get maximum view out of our window for looking at our garden, even as we walk down the corridor. We still haven't worked out what these little fittings here are for, and maybe, who knows, we'll work that out later. Alright, well, that's it. That's how you put shutters in your bathroom window. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Well done. See ya.